Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this SKODA. It's not very intuitive, really. You've got your phone and you can find the phones that are actually connected, but what you have to do is go to menu and then find setup, and you can either select setup like so or touch the screen. So setup, then we have to navigate down until we come to Bluetooth, and we select Bluetooth, and then again you've got paired devices and find devices. So paired devices, and you see there, that's my phone and I want to delete it, so you've got to delete it. Delete, and just delete Lances while we're here, so we start from fresh. So that's how you delete it. So you have to go into setup, not the telephone. The telephone, it'll find the phones that are paired, but it won't allow you to delete it. So that's the first thing.